Libor stands for London Interbank Offer Rate and is a benchmark rate used by large banks worldwide in order to determine the cost of money when they charge each other for a short period of time. It is based on 5 currencies: US dollar, euro, British pound, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc, and 7 maturities: overnight, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Given that many banks participate in the market, it is very competitive and liquid, and is the standard rate against which others are compared and most loans are tied to. Given that it is very competitive, very liquid, its participants have very low risk of default because they are large banks, and it only has short-term maturities, the Libor rate approximates mostly the first building blocks of interest rates, risk-free. Now that we know what Libor is, we are ready to learn more about variable and fixed interest rates.